Hi, this is Ben Voss at FN. These instructions are going to cover the installation and operation of your FN SCAR SSR Rear Stock assembly. The SSR Rear Stock will allow you to convert your FN SCAR carbine into a DMR style rifle by giving you the precision rear stock of the Mark 20 or SCAR 20S. It will have adjustable length of pull and adjustable height of the cheek rest. Installation of this is quite simple. It can be done quite easily. So let's walk through that. But of course, anytime you disassemble the rifle, make sure you wear your eye protection. So to disassemble your rifle to install the SSR rear stock, first we need to make sure it's on safe, remove the magazine, pull the charging handle to the rear so you can inspect the chamber to make sure it is completely clear of any ammunition. Allow the charging handle to go back forward, and then we're going to remove first the trigger module assembly. To remove the trigger module frame, on the left side, you'll push in on the takedown pin, pull it out to the right until it stops. Then you can remove the trigger module frame by pushing it forward and rotating it down off the bottom of the rifle. Next, to remove your SCAR carbine rear stock assembly, you'll just slide it off the bottom of the receiver. To replace it with the SSR rear stock, just put the SSR rear stock in place of the carbine rear stock. Take the trigger module assembly, install it into the rear part of the rifle, press the takedown pin in. So with that, I've converted my carbine rear stock into an adjustable rear stock for precise aim. The SSR rear stock will allow you, like I said, to adjust length of pull and adjust the height of the cheek rest for prone, precise aim fire positions. So to adjust the length of pull, on the left side is the length of pull button. Press in on it, and you can pull the butt stock assembly out to the desired length. To collapse it, press in on the same button, and the butt stock assembly slides in. The height of the cheek rest is adjusted on the cheek rest riser. Press in on that button, also on the left side, raising it up to desired height. To collapse it, press in on that button, drop it down into the desired height. So if you have any questions on the assembly or installation instructions of your FN SCAR SSR rear stock, feel free to contact FN Customer Service in Columbia, South Carolina. Thanks for watching.